Hi there, YouTube viewers and collectors. Welcome to my channel, Route 164. Today we are gonna review this set of Johnny Lightnings. It's the Johnny Lightning Street Freaks from 2018, release 2. And this is version A. I already pre-opened the box and well, let's have a look inside. Take the first one out, and it's a Dodge Charger from 1970. And they call this one Zingers because of the stance of the car. It's Way Too Hot Pink. Funny name. Plastic tires, but it's a nice version. I like this one. Nice color sheet, nice colors. Let's have a look at the base. Front of the car. And the back. Yes, nice one. And back of the package. These are different ones. This is the code. That's a White Lightning. Okay, next one. From the Blacked Out series, Street Freaks, the Plymouth GTX 1970, and black velvet is the color. It's a nice car, but pretty dark in the package. Back of the car, maybe adjust the light a bit. That's a little bit better. Next one. That's from the series Surf Rods. 1966 Ford Bronco. 3,460 pieces. With the surfboards inside on the car. I do think the rims or the tires are rubber, seems. Okay, next one. That's a nice one from the Demolition Derby series. 2,500 pieces, that's not so many. This is the color. Custom Derby, green and yellow. It's a nice piece. I think I bought one extra of this one to open up. Also the other version, I think I have 2 pieces to open one up. And this one has plastic tires, I think. Looks like plastic. Okay, next one. This is a very nice one from Projects in Progress, 2500. I do have the B version also, but this is a very nice car. Bright blue and bright red is the color. '87 Chevy Camaro Z28 IROC-Z. Great piece. This one was a must-have for me. Adjust the lighting a bit. That's better. Very nice. And this one has rubber tires. Okay, last one already. And that's 1968 Chevy Chevelle SS 396. Flat black with gloss black with flames. So several colors. Front of the car. Back. And these are rubber tires. Nice. Well, that's this set. Thanks for watching and see you at my next video. Bye.